Are you looking for a simple daily habit that can boost your digestion, energy, and immunity? Then you must try Forever Aloe Vera Gel, the world best selling aloe drink, trusted in over 160 plus countries. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ramachandran from Vadodara. Today I am sharing the amazing benefit of Forever Aloe Vera Gel. This is aloe vera gel. Millions love इसको millions love it and how it can help you start your wellness journey. What is Forever Aloe Vera Gel? Forever Aloe Vera Gel is a pure stabilized aloe drink made from the inner leaf gel of aloe barbadenus. It supports digestion, cleanliness your body from the inside and keeps you active all day. Top benefits: support digestion, natural detox, boost immunity, increase energy level, help skin from within, aloe hydrates and skin your improves glow naturally. इसको कैसे यूज करना है? हाउ शुड यूज इट? पीपल with weak digestion, working professionals, fitness lovers, anyone feeling tired or low in energy, people who want natural detox and glowing skin. How to use it? इसको कैसे यूज करना है? Take 30 to 60 ml for aloe vera gel twice a day. Empty stomach, mix with water or fruit juice. What Forever Aloe Vera Gel? 99% pure inner leaf aloe, IASC certified, rich in vitamins, antioxidants, no added sugar, trusted brand for more than 45 plus years. Thank you.